What's up, YouTube? MX Dude here. So, changing the brake on the 850 today. They're just about done. Where was the old pad? I already did one side and thought, why not do a video about it? Yeah. 1200 kilometer. They're cooked. I do use my brake a lot when I'm riding, but they're cooked. Yeah. It's really not that hard to do. Really not that hard. I already pre-loose the lug nut and feeling lazy today. Yeah. These one too, they're cooked. Metal to metal. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys soon. That's all about you need. It's a Allen key, 15mm socket, and a ratchet, okay? If you can see, there's like a little cap. You need to take that off. I always take them off before taking the caliper off. Make my life easier. Sometimes they're pretty stubborn. Yeah, that one's pretty easy. God fucking damn, I should look what I'm doing. And it's loose. And the 15mm. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. Ugh. We got one. We got the other one. I've turned the wheel just a little. Here we go. So, you loosen up the cap. Take that bolt off. Take that bolt off. Those are the first step. Let me take it off and I'll show you the rest after. Those two 15mm bolts are off. Hopefully it's just gonna come out. There was a stick stuck in the caliper. Oh yeah, they're cooked. Steel on steel. It didn't damage my rotor too much, but just cord them a bit. It'll be fine. You gotta take that little thing off. It's a bit hard to do with one hand, man. A bit hard. Don't lose that thing. That's probably like fucking 15 bucks. I'm joking. Alright. So the way to take them off, you need to put that, which one is it? That one. You need to put them all in, all the way in, and, oh, can't see with the camera. Push it all the way out, in, then put the pad, it's gonna slide out. Boop. First one like that. Pretty easy. Boop. Well, no, you get the point. You guys get the point. It's pretty easy to replace those brake pads. Yeah. Should have changed them before, but that's fucked. Alright. Pretty easy. Then what I usually do, where the fuck are my pliers? Take channel lock. Nice pair of channel lock. It's a bit easier when you remove that. I'm gonna re-grease those freaking slider. I don't want those things to be jammed up and use my pad or all crooked. Compress it. Don't compress it all the way in, but almost. That should be good. It should be good. Got the grease gun. Put them on a pole. A bit of grease. You don't need too much. If you put too much, everything's gonna get jammed up because there's gonna be too much grease and that's the deal. This will just slide easy. Anyway, you guys get the point. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so to put the pad back in, same way to take them out. You push on them all the way in, the other way. And don't put it in too far because you're gonna have some trouble, but they should slide in just like that. Here we go. See? Pretty easy. Same thing for the other pad. That was that side first, and then you slide them on. Here we go. Pretty easy. Don't forget to put back your little cap, because like I said, if you lose it, it's probably like 15 freaking bucks. It's right there. Anyway, I'll be back soon. So that's about it. It's pretty simple to put back brake pads on. To replace the brake pad is pretty easy. Don't forget to put your bolts on the top, one on the bottom. Right there. I'm gonna fully re-grease the bike right after. I'm gonna do all the upper control arm. I do want to take the shock off and re-grease them, but I kind of feel lazy today. I'm not gonna take them out. I'm just gonna re-grease the controller up and down, and that's gonna be it, I think. Well, actually, I still got to do the rear end, but you know, he'd give you an idea how to do it. It's pretty easy. Well, you know, I got those pads on Amazon. 2 days delivery, can't go wrong with that. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Have a good one. Peace.